Hello everyone. In this video, let's explore a new Office 365 app. It's known as Bookings. Okay, so if you click here on the left side, all apps, you can see here the bookings. So to get these bookings, you need E5 license in the Office 365. These bookings mainly concentrate on creating a booking page for your services. Just for example, if you are giving your Office 365 to any office or school, there will be some kind of parents teacher meet. So in that, a parent can book a class teacher so that they can have some interaction. Okay, or if your company is open now in this pandemic, and if you want to book a desk space, you can book the desk space using this bookings page. Okay, let's start and see how it works. Click here bookings in the all apps, and you can see this landing page. So here we have get it now. Okay, click get it now. So it is asking to create a booking calendar name. You can create like create add a booking calendar and business name. Suppose if you want to create any business, you can create, or else you just click like uh, desk space booking. Okay, business type you can tell like others or whatever, or here you can see information technology companies. Okay, and click continue, and it's now will create a booking calendar for you for this service. So in the background what happens is, if you observe here, desk space booking is here, right? In the background what happens is, if you go to all space, a Microsoft Office 365 admin, I just click admin here, and you can see here act users, right? The click active users, and you can see here a new user is being created, a new mailbox is known as desk space booking. So whenever you create any say new calendar, a new user will be created in the Office 365. Okay, and if you want to delete this desk space booking, you just go here and delete this desk space booking here. Okay, so now this is the landing page for the booking calendar for the desk space. And here if you observe on the right side, you can see the new this is the old UI, and if you want to try, you can click this new bookings UI, but I prefer here this old UI because it is more clear. And let's explore in the end the new UI also. Now so your desk space booking is set up, and you will be having a calendar here. See, you can have the calendar here, and the bookings page is not yet published. If you want to share this bookings page, you need to publish here. Okay, and you can see all these options here, and you can also uh, create the external customers, not only the people inside your Office 365, you can also create the external customers here. And for every service you can also add this tab here. Okay, you can add this tab, and you can assign that staff, and here you need to create your service here. Okay, so now, and the last option is business information. So you can give the timings for your business, when it is opening and what is its phone number, everything here. Okay, so now you can see all these things, and let's set up one and see how it will work. Okay, so now this is desk space booking and the business name, right? So you can add address if you want. If you want any phone number, you can add, and you give an email so that the replies will come to this email. And you can also mention your URL here and the privacy policy and the terms and condition here. Okay, and you can also give the um, currency also you can give here. Suppose if anybody want to books, um, they can have here the currency. So you can also add a logo here. You can change logo, and you can add a logo for your business here. Okay, and the business hours generally it will be from the 8 to 17, 5 o'clock in the evening, and in the Saturday you can close it, it's general, right? And if you want to open, you can click here and you can see, and if you don't want, click this, it will be closed here. Okay, and coming to this booking page now, let's save this first. And first we need to publish this page, and this page must be circulated to all the people, so that when they click this page they can see the bookings. So now what we will do is here the booking page access control options, we will check require Microsoft Office 365 or Office from my organization to book, this is not required. Use newest version of bookings, that's also not required. Require one-time password to create bookings, not required. Disable direct search engine indexing of booking page, this is also not required. Show a personal data collection and usage consent toggle along with a message on my booking page, is all these normal. And there is a scheduling policy here, time increments, so whenever anybody wants to book any page, any service, within 30 minutes they can book consequently, or you can also give like 5 minutes. And here minimum lead time they have given here, and minimum lead time for booking and cancellation. Suppose in before 24 hours we need to book a service like that. Okay, and the maximum lead time is for this is up to us. If you want to give it for 365 days in a year, you can give, or else you can reduce the time here. Okay, and here if you want to, for your service, if you want to add a staff, you can also use this, or if you don't want to show your staff for the service, you can remove this. And you can assign some kind of colors here for your page. Okay, so and also region, time, and change line, always show time slots in business time zone. Okay, this we can keep here so that they can see the time slots. Okay, now I will try to publish this. And also one more thing, you can embed this in your web pages. And I'm not trying to save and publish, and it gave us one URL here so that we can share this to our social media platforms. Okay, let's copy this, and okay, now let's go to the calendar. Customers, we have no customers. Staff, we can add more staff if you want here, and if you don't want to add more staff, no need. And for every staff we can also assign some kind of timings, so that if anybody is not available, they can assign to other staff here. Okay, so if you click here on staff, you can see the timings here, and you can use business hours, or you can assign some custom hours to this particular staff here. Okay, so first see how this page looks first of all. So I'm giving here uh, I'm opening this page in one more another browser here, so that how it will looks for the anonymous people. Okay, let me copy this correctly. go to booking page and copy here, and now come to this page. Okay, now in the Edge browser I'm showing this. And it's taking some time to show up. This is how you can see this. Okay, so there is a initial consult we have created, and you can select any kind of date here, and you can see here the timings. If you want any staff, you can assign the staff here, and if you don't need anything, just click here this one and timings, and here you can write your name, like, okay, and email you can give your outside email, like you can give your Gmail here, and it will be treated as a customer here. Okay, and click book. This is September 17th and the time is 8:35. Okay, and you want to write any notes, you can write here, and here you can see add your details, right? These are all the fields. You can also have a custom fields also, means you can have a more extra fields also you can add here from the admin point of view. This is the user point of view, how the user will see this bookings page. And now it's creating a booking for you. So when we see our email mailbox, you can see the message. This is how we can reschedule, we can cancel, we can new booking, we can do. Let's first explore the email how we have received. So let me show you. So let's see now. Now you got an email here, desk space booking. So this is already assigned 1% here, and it's created a one booking ICS already. It is attaching a calendar, and we can download this and we can add to our calendar. Okay, so we can add to our calendar, Outlook calendar. I'm on Mac now, so that's what. This is how you can see this consultation details. And now let's go to the admin page here, and you can see here the calendar, and on September 11th, right? This is okay. Let's go to work week and click here on 17th. You can see here week. You can see here on 17th there is one consultation details for us. You can also see the initial consultant, the person who created this one. And if you go to the customers, since this person Bharat is from the outside of this Office 365, so it's created as a customer here. You can see here, right? Here this here staff. So this is how it will create the booking time and consult. So if you click this, and you can also cancel as an admin, you can cancel this, or from the user perspective here you can also go here and cancel this booking. And if I cancel this booking, it will be okay, and you will get an email, I hope so, confirming the cancellation here. So you can see here booking cancellation for Bharat here. Okay, and in this calendar also, if we refresh, let's see, so on 17th, right? Okay, 17th, so there is nothing, no bookings here, it's already cancelled here. Okay, so this is a very simple straightforward app for your customers to book something as a service, all these things. And suppose if you have more services, you can also create here services, and you can add a service here. Uh, Suppose if you want to have a consultation, medical consultation, or uh, say something like a Microsoft Office 365 support, or if you are a developer SPFX support, if you are going to give something like this, or so if you want to have medical, so you can write here like doctor consultation, something, all these services means, suppose we are in the desk space booking, right? You can also mention here desk one, and location, it will ask us a location. And if you have want to have an online meeting, you can give this, so that it will give the link to online meeting. Here all these timings you can see, and you can also set a price here, fixed price. If you want to book a desk for 1 hour, we can give here like 1,000 rupees something here. And if you want any custom fields, you can write, and you can also give here reminders, confirmation, all these things we can add here. And you can also add assign a staff for this service. I'm adding here Madhavi. So, and here you can see uh, allow customers to choose a specific person for booking. This is also available for us. And now I click save. So this price is set now. See, okay. Now if you go to the bookings page, let's go here, and you can see, refresh this, and we can see this desk one is already we got as a service we have added, so it's appearing on this desk space booking page. Click this, and select some time, 21st September, and time 8:45, and you can add your name, all these things similarly. So let's see, add same thing here, let's book, click OK, and now you can see here. Okay, so I same something again, you will get an email from the desk space booking that you have booked the space. Okay, it will take some time. Let's wait for it, and let's go and see in the admin perspective how it is there. So you can see here. Okay, so go to the calendar, and you can see here, if this booking is approved, then it will show to us here. You can see here desk one is booked. Okay, now maybe we need to receive an email here, desk confirmed, desk one is booked. Okay, like this we can see. And suppose the same time, 21 September 2021 8:45, right? If I go to new booking here, and I selected desk one, Tuesday 21, and if you want to book 8:45, it's not available. See, if you want to book 8:45 to 9:45, so once it is booked with one person, it will not show here 8:44 to 9:45, 1 hour, it's not showing, because it's booked by some other person. So it will show the other timings here. Okay, this is how it will work, and it's very simple. And I recommend this to all your companies, so that they can make use of this Office 365 app. Thank you very much.